Phoenix loves his bath. You like that, Phoenix? He's talking. He's talking now.
Very good, Phoenix.
He said, "Hey, you," today. He said, "Hey, you."
Yes, yes.
He said, "Hey, you."
You, Phoenix.
Hey, you.
Are you Phoenix?
Hey, you.
Hey, you, Phoenix.
Hey, you.
Phoenix, hey, you.
Hey, you.
Hey, you, Phoenix.
Jeez.
Hey, you, Phoenix. Hey, you, Phoenix. Hey, you, Phoenix.
Hey, you.
Hey, you, Phoenix.
Hey, you.
Very good, very good. Very good, Phoenix. I love you, Phoenix. Very good. Very good. Very good, Phoenix.
He's having his bath.
Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good.
He likes it.
James, shampoo.
No good. No soap. No soap. Oh, bad. No good soap.
No, no. No Phoenix, enjoy. No good. Enjoy, yes. Shampoo.
No shampoo. For this bird? No. No shampoo.
Very good.
Just water. Just water. Water.
Shampoo, very good.
No. No shampoo. No shampoo.
Shampoo, tea, food, tea. Beer. James, beer, yes.
Well, here's my wasp trap. I just hope that a wasp doesn't bite him like he bit Bobby.
One beer, Phoenix. One beer, very good. Beer. One beer, Phoenix, very good.
Looks like a drowned rat. He looks like a drowned rat. He's a drowned rat. Here, let's see what he likes down here. You got a choice. No food? No hungry? Radishes, crackers, millet, crab apples, tomato. Try something. Phoenix, try something. Banana, try something. Oh, he always goes for the millet. I like the millet. Likes the millet. Well, anyways, yeah. You want to do the Mission Impossible and climb up into your cage again? Do the Tom Cruise. Do the Tom Cruise. Go back up into your cage. Do the Tom Cruise. Oh, you're heavy because you're wet. Come on. Get on. Get on. Get on. Get on. Come on. Get up. Oh, he's too heavy because he's wet. Come on. Go up. There you go. Okay. Go up to your cage.
Ah, very good, Phoenix.
Mission Impossible.
Very good.
Mission Impossible. Is he going up or down?
Very good. Very good.
He's probably thirsty.
Very good,
I just
very
gave him some more juice.
Yes. Very good, Phoenix. Yeah, very good.
And going back up.
Go. Go. Yes. Go.
Doing the
Go,
Tom Cruise
go,
Mission
yes.
Impossible.
Go, yes. Go.
Oh, now he's... Oh, don't go on the roof of my house. Oh, that's no good. Get down from there. Get down from there. Yes, you have a bird's eye view. We know that. You have a bird's eye view.
Phoenix.
He looks like a
Very good.
drowned rat.
Very good, Phoenix. Phoenix, very good.
Hey, you.
Very good, Phoenix.
Yeah. I think he spoke his first phrase today.
Oh, yeah.
He said, "Hey you."
You.
Phoenix said,
Yahoo.
"Hey you."
Yahoo.
Hey you.
Yahoo.
No, not Yahoo. Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey,
Hey
you,
hey
Phoenix.
you. Hey you.
Hey you, Phoenix.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you, Phoenix.
We'll teach him that first.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you, Phoenix.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you.
Hey you, Phoenix.
Look, he's scratching his head.
Hey you, Phoenix.
Yeah.
Hey you, Phoenix.